What is up, guys? We are back. Average Model Guy here, bringing you the 1/35th scale vehicle transport de blesses. I don't know. I'm butchered that. I'm sure it's probably means medical transport. I'm assuming in French, maybe. Looks like it would be French. I don't know. Leave me a comment. Let me know. I tried to look on the paperwork, see when this model was actually released. Couldn't find anything. If I find any information on the old interwebs, I will. I'll put some information down below on how old this thing is. But I saw this, I had to have it. I think it is just a cool looking transport vehicle. It just looks like a hot rod ambulance, basically, to me. So yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get this unboxed, and we are going to do a build video on this one. So we'll get it unboxed and be on the lookout for the first build video. Alrighty, without further ado, we'll pull it. Here's our booklet day instructions. I don't know, I sound like I was speaking French or something, maybe, I don't know. I think all this is pretty much in French, but, you know, pictures, you know, that's good enough. That'll work. I don't think it's an overly complicated model, as you can see. Pretty straightforward. I like the fact that the track looks like it's in one piece and I don't have to put the track together on it. And then it's got all kinds of information actually on the vehicle in here. I won't bother reading it, but if you're interested, I mean, I can definitely take a snapshot and send it to you, email or whatever, if you're really interested in how this does. And then it actually gives you a rundown step by step in English on how to build it. And then it's got a French side as well over here. So pretty cool. I don't think these were original with the box, but I'm glad that, you know, he took the time to put those in there to keep it nice and safe. So let me bust open the packaging. Okay, there we go. We got our first sprue right here. We got our drive wheels and road wheels. Various other parts on here. Pretty detailed. Let me move this out of the way. If I do that, I'll probably camouflage back in with that, but move that out of the way. Maybe get a better look at what we're looking at here. Alright, sprue number 1. Sprue number 2. Like we got some more pieces. We got our seat, and I think one actually fell off here. So I think that one went right there, but it fell off inside the box. So got some vents here, it looks like. Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell what some of these pieces are on here, but this looks like the top, the hatch right there for that. Next one. Looks like we've got our guy pieces here. Got his torso, his arms, his legs, head, helmet. Looks like we can do 3 guys, it looks like, on here. And we got a couple more parts of the tank, I'm assuming, right here. Or maybe this is the stretcher. That might be what this is right here. The stretcher pieces. That'd be pretty cool. Alright, let's get our next kit. More guy pieces. Looks like we got 2 more guys on there. So it looks like 5 guys total for this kit, which is pretty darn good. We've got our, if I can get it off of here, would be wonderful. We've got our tracks, which they're rubber. So be pretty nice pieces there. Looks like here's our cables, steel cables, so we'll get those painted all nice and silver. Maybe weather them up a little bit. Alright, now we got some more of the body pieces here. So this is going to be great. Here's our rear hatch right here. If you can see that, let me slide it over. Rear hatch pieces here. Bottom of the tub, I'm assuming. Sides of the tub. Yep. Spin it around. Yep. So it looks pretty good. Alright. We got one more sprue in here. Yep. Now we got the top. of our transport vehicle. These are going to cover the tracks, I'm assuming. More pieces to build all that. Got a steel wire here. That's pretty cool. Not sure if that's part of the kit or not, but we'll find out. That'd be, I don't know why they'd make it on plastic and then actually give you actually wire, but we'll see. We've got the rest of our wheels here. So yeah, looks like we got work cut out for us, and then we do have some clear parts here. So not too bad. So yeah, overall it doesn't look like it's going to be an overly difficult build. Let's see if we have any decals around here anyway. I'm assuming these are, yeah, these are already pretty, these look pretty rough. Aged pretty well, so I'm thinking about just, I'll probably paint the crosses on there and maybe take a chance on some of the smaller decals, but we'll see. But yeah, I think I'm going to paint, because those look pretty yellowed, which, I mean, it might give a good weather look, but yeah, I'm going to kind of make this one not overly weathered, but not too bad. So we might end up painting them on there. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But yeah, that is it for this model kit. I mean, there's not a whole lot to it, which is good, because after that Harrier, I need one heck of a break on complicated. So kind of wanted to do something that looked fun and would be not too bad to build. So appreciate you guys hanging around for this unboxing. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, give me a like if you liked the video, and yeah, turn that notification bell on too as well, so that way when I do post videos, you guys can see them right away. And I will see you guys in the first build video for this military transport vehicle. Thanks.